My period comes bang on time every month, so I always know when to have my pads handy. I don't get painful cramps before my period like some of my friends do, so sometimes it just sneaks up on me. I use about 20 pads per month. When you think about how many you need over a lifetime, the numbers really add up. The amount of plastic in a pack of sanitary pads is equivalent to about 4 plastic grocery bags. And I know that sanitary pads cannot be recycled. So that's a lot of plastic thrown away each year when I could have used a greener alternative. I decided to look around for more eco-friendly solutions. I came across period panties that you can buy online, reusable menstrual cloth pads that you can get at pop-up flea markets, and reusable medical-grade silicone menstrual cups at specialty stores. So I'm rethinking my regular sanitary pads, and I'm going to test out which of these alternatives work best for me. It's definitely a departure from the norm, but I'm sure it just takes getting used to. And every little bit helps.